Hello YouTube. It has been a while since I have made a burping video. It's also been a while since I've worn a hat in a burping video. Let's get started. I'm a little excited about this video because I've realized the way to suck in air pretty effectively by doing this. No, I'm exaggerating that, but that's essentially what I'm doing. This is a classic burp right there. I can taste my sausage biscuit that I had like 10 minutes ago.